Hi, beloved. So, have you noticed lately how your energy centers, your chakras, which most people call them these energy centers of the body, have been interacting with life since we've been going through all of the changes of these higher frequency resonations and emanations that are happening as life is evolving into and beyond the fifth dimensional level. As we are embarking upon this very precious, sacred moment and journey, I want you to really feel into this and see if it's true for you. So the chakra system was designed to divide and separate different levels of awareness and process essentially pieces of separation in the physical body. So we are now at a place where we do not need to perceive things as separate anymore and as segregated or separated or divided against the wholeness. Okay. So I'm in my hotel room and I'm, getting my phone would actually do this, where it would, some being would, who didn't have a body, some divine spirit guide of mine was coming forward and saying, it's time for you to have this awareness. And what this being would do is they would press the speaker button on my hotel room phone and a dial tone would happen. And then there was like this trying to connect and trying to connect. And it kept happening at 11:11 and 12:22 and 1:11 and 2:22, 3:33, 4:44, 5:55. So, and it kept going on, night after night after night. And so finally I got up and I said, okay, I'm listening. And I hear, thank you for taking the call. It's time that we show you the next level of the human energy system and how we can no longer advance and evolve with the current chakra system in place. It's a structural system that creates separation and division. We can't do that anymore. Now it's about coming into our unity and our wholeness and our full power. So this experience, this profound experience was done to me and told me, I was told that this now I can offer as a master of this experience. And what this was a removal, like a complete liberation of the chakras, each one coming in and like coming out and dissolving. And then this new system being installed that is based on love and unity and where things all come together. And there's not this experience of separation and divide and this chakra feels this way and this one feels this way and this one feels this way. It's a unified experience where we can dance and flow into the next level of our expression. And the thing is that all of the things that have been created in our world that are right now the systems that we function within, these are going to change. And the people who don't have access to this next level chakra or energy, whole integrated energy system will perish at you won't be able to make the leap into the understanding, the inner standing of the magnificence of life, and that everything that's falling away is making way for something so astronomically large and huge and blissful and beautiful beyond what you can even imagine right now. And so when your energy system is in your body aligned to understand and to translate everything that's happening and see the good and the miracle and the blessing, and to be absolutely held and sustained and kept safe in every way, protected in a divine experience and embodiment, unlike anything else we've ever had on this planet. And if this is something that is really calling you so that you can embody this next level of life as we transition beyond everything that we've known, then click on the link below, and you and I will get a chance to gather together and have a little taste and experience of this to see if you're really ready to step into what's next. I love you so much, and I am here to see you stepping into the most miraculous you. And the whole world is waiting for you. There are people that will not receive what you have to bring until you do it. So this is why I'm doing this now, and it's so important that we unite and come together and make this happen from our effortless center. Yes, see you at the link below.